They went there by Dalquan up on one on my killing one on top aka Adadiche the Swaga Mamia who Ozi Chorizi Grand Ndilena support to Ogechi Njaka. Okay, Ogechi farms and the supporters and ndị na-akwado na ndị na-akwado. So this message is to all of you and also Ogechi. I know Ogechi will not see this video na maybe ọ ga-ahụ ya ma ọ wụ na ọ gara pụta. According to the news ọ nwụrụ ga-aga na ihe onyonyo ana m na ọ nọ na ụlọ nga ebe eji ya maka ihe gasị na ihe o mere na ihe ọ na-emezi. Ha nwere vidio ndị a na-aga and mụ awụ ada dị iche ukele nwa on top. I don't support evil. And I like his stand on and I don't talk about every news that is trending in social media. Though I'm doing blogging, but I don't support, I don't do any news. Anything choriku, not him choriku. Or him mom sunku. And my platform is just to glorify God. If I'm not him name, mbawegu, now manielu. Him name. I don't care whether money comes or does it didn't come. A lot of us are there here, being way a go. Ịkpata ego ma make money. A lot of them can be make ego depending on ihe chọrọ ịbịa. A lot of us chọkwara na imeke ego ma make kwenems. Ị ghọtara? Mana gị na-emeke n'ihe ahụ make it with good way so that God who that creates you, your Father in heaven will not be angry with you. Even people will also not be angry with you. Do you understand me? This is my platform, particularly Adadiche Blog TV page and my YouTube. I dedicate it to use it to do good things. In short, every flat of my platform, I don't want to be doing something when we say, Managa Patechi, Adadiche Kuruke, Okele Masarake. I stand on the truth. So, learn on get money. On Wabundo, now support you join this live one of the Managa share. Okachandon di ba you get a so why because Ogechi na nọ n'ime ebe a according to story mụrụ na-agagharị na social media na although the watching I wanna Jimmy can post cases on this now because I'm not feeling fine. You can see my through my nose and item say cookie ga na ejicha ma ahụ. You got that? So Ogechi nọ n'ime ebe etinyere na mkpọrọ. Ndị niile ahụ na support Ogechi go ahead. On n'ebe ahụ. All those commenters on our comment section that will stand with you, we do your back. Haneba. Ogechi karicha. Ndulila na itoya karicha on the surreba. Elebo no. On the Abuja for the case, a bochane with case order on the Sokwaga, con money here could get back. When you lend down even social media, they could watch me. You are not touching me, you are not seeing me. Until I get you 1-on-1. You must only put a conversation. You must get when I got touch you until one day we meet. It not be so. So now, Ogechi no but you bow America, na equip kaka. Can't win Chromo get if I don't know get I know get more than 6 years, not 5 years. 5 to 6 years. Get to put on social media. Ogechi Okeke I like him the lady. I like the lady. I like the type of person or man. I'm not like this. Blogging on them and the on them. He be obedient with violent for the first time now. Bag, one name, Mario. He very bad and then bag out and they make a cup. At end of the day, Ogechi give me call your name. Yeah, make your name. Have a lot of followers. You are not one of the big blogger and when on social media. On your mama as a war person. Then you watch a war. He's sort of gunwagalapo Zike. Brazen the government here. Get a zig with a family when a wine, you wouldn't even know marker. Where maybe had him back. At least I'm logging a boo if I just say book video. A woman, Dutchy, a woman, many people, news. Oh, my good things are. Yes, on the man. Man, I keep it up. I won't know let the key get chapter here. One day I dog again, I gonna because I maybe don't watch. Would this Miriam justice get any here? I want that video. Me and myself, I was angry. You could kufe. What do you need? The man could forgive you. Yes, I will ask him how to forgive you when you accept, when you ask for, when you apologize. Because one may hold you apologize. I want my name and your job. But if you stand on your rights, don't apologize to anybody. Let the judgment and justice take place. Yes. Let the judgment and justice take place. I don't apologize when I'm not at fault. So I'm not advising you to you're being another. But if you're at fault, you're not at fault right now. They that when you find the good guilty, you have to apologize. Because Moana as a man, forgive her, forgive her. Why you know that who you want to forgive, added through the remorse for what he did. And my hook at the man now, you're not sorry. On again with a while. Can be one another part of this video. Can that support again? Ị gara pụta were aka abụọ hie n'anya gị were ire gị geze gị ọnụ ịmụrụ ihe iri mma ị na-eme na-emetara gị ego gị were gị mere ebe ihe na-enwetara gị ego ngwa na anyị nọ na Naijiria mara na ndị nọ Naijiria gị na ahụ ha n'obodo Igbo akwụkwọ disem anọ ha ebe ka nọchi ike gụwa na blọd ịhapụra famili gị na hapụ ọrụ ị na-arụ bịahịa na-ekosa okwu n'ihi ya ikwutere n'ọnụ na soshal midia ọwụwa na ihe anyị kwutere some of video i kwuru isi ya akpọ gị na kọt ị ga-eprove ole ihe bikos ị nọ n'ime kọt na n'ime ga ị nọ na pụta prove ole ihe bikos ihe kwekwu ya mgbe ma ndị ahụ ụkwa ndị oti ndị arapụta soshal midia ọ na-ekọ ihe na mmadụ akpọnụ like mụ mgbe m na-eme blọg m na-egburu ihe ọdịchie na ụmụnne na ndị ọdụ I have a vision, I have a dream, and my spirit say I should stop. I stop. Some of things I never hear. Abudi here. I should stop. If I want to celebrate, I should celebrate who is true to celebrate. Who is true to celebrate? That is why I always talk about Mayu Ediche. I celebrate her, celebrate Evangelist Ebuka, celebrate Donye, celebrate a lot of people that I know that they have a fear of God, because I don't like to celebrate anybody in this my platform. We say I know so when he made he but you tell get you gonna do it on now about work and make a be when lose gonna get it back. Now get a lose again here. Come Jim get it. No, don't do that. Because of my spirit lead me to talk about this. Come to the queer. Because what how to go on too much wonder a buy. All the guy came and play this blue apple. Get in there, Messi. Was a way took ma to talk two states the way they're supposed to be. That didn't support to get you. All about on. That guy what time they got the boy caution on this what evidence. How much I'm doing that man in fact on them me when I web like this below up. I don't like the way they buy she behave ever. I like it to me. Now, people are saying Igbo people fast Igbo people. But getting them not bad, Igbo person can I make sort and maybe you come can I go to get sort and make a man family or they make it a man name, make it direct. Now, this woman is seeking for justice. On can I say what for me, I stand for justice. Justice. I'm not even anybody. I don't support anyone. I can never my life indulge with evil because this below apple, no, they give me food for my table. You know, they give me food for my table. Even if you want, if they give me food, I see they make my own body in my own way of hustling and working and all doing other things. Do you understand me? So if you are the one that come out to something that not be so, if you don't be so something that give you food, they not go eat. If you don't eat, because of that, give the name Mary. I want the man, I want the man he could many things not supposed to him. Then me here because of you want to make money for what? After achieving all these things, where are you taking it to? In heaven or hell? Do you remember that you are going to give account of whatever you did in this life? So let us be very, very cautious and be very careful. Or did I too much in this social media? Let her prove her innocence. Or as attend the apology and free herself and let this thing stop. And when it come out at least she will learn her lesson. Even if it's a day, okay, to stay in a prison, like stay in a cell or whatever, or any way you look for, at least up Tana or job your respect or where. Every video, could say, now on your bula. There is no forgiveness. Only an akana. Forgiveness. Every video over that social media trending. Not like that to media justice. That to on your bula very hojo or get caught. You have get prove innocence here. You get prove at least or get caught. You have not here. You wanna sign some document to sign field and look how much in case of next time. ya emekwa ọdị ihe ahụ ọzọ akpụrụ ekpụta ya ebe ahụ ebupụtara ya pa ikesie ahụ na ọhịa uhie eji mara ihe ọ na-arụ ọhịa ọ na-eme. So na akịfụrụ asị na ihe ahụ etitụrụ onye ọzọ eji etowena gị ọ ga-adị gị mma. That is why Igbo people say gị tụrụ nwa gị tụrụ mma na mbụ gị tụrụkwa na onwe gị mara na mbụ ahụ ị tụrụ onye ahụ ọ dị mma ọ na-atọ ụtọ na afụ ụfụ ịghọtara. So ụka niile ahụ oge echi gị nwa kwuru na ọ nwere ka eji ajọji gị na because evidence na social media no dey forget things easily. If you go to comment section of that woman, I just come with the video pop art. I come go through the one. And the thing I like the woman most to be say, he talk about Nnamdi Kanu. One video he make, he say, one live we make say, all these things when we they talk Boza Morisa social, when we use and they talk about how to release our brother and support our brother, support people, support other people. We be say our own people, not be to use them to they make problem in social media. So for me, my sister Miriam Justice, forgive her if she tender apology. Yes, if she tender apology. If she not tender apology, let it face the justice. Because justice, I stand on justice. I don't like injustice. I don't support evil. So get when you come out, please learn your lesson and forget all this words. You have make your name. You're a good person, have a good heart. I see you. I know you that you have a good heart. So maintain your lane. Follow that God called you. Use it to work for God and stop using it for glorify devil. Because all this thing you are doing is just to glorify devil. Now you know the God you are serving. Me, I serve the living God. Zion, we move. Now the idea. The bloggers, be careful. Ọnụbarị wụrụ ndị mmadụ ogodu maka ịgwụrụ ọnụ tatatata ị ga-ekwutekwa ka gị gakwa for prison life come and testify. So if you want to blog what is really happens. Onye ahụ mere ya onye ahụ kwuru gị kwuo otu hapụ ị na-etu isi ụka ọnwụ na cause all this problem, the whole problem that is happening in social media. Bloggers, all these fake bloggers na-achọ ime money, all this poverty blockers that money go social media all hana cause here because blogger will jijiri afọ ma nwere ihe ọ na-eme nwere occupation nwee ego nwee mkpata ego gị na-abịa na aka eri nọnsens ọ ga-stand on the truth. That is why I love Zion First Son because he's a blogger wey stand on the truth and na there I hate injustice. Forgiveness is good when this person have romance of what it is that is wrong, if it is wrong. But if it is not wrong, I don't support him to bring himself low to apologize to anybody. If he have evidence, whatever he said, no problem. It was okay. Anybody on social media, be a blogger, be very, very careful. Because if not me, use me talk, I feel take them easy. Not everybody will take it easy with honor. More be very, very careful. Both Ogechi supporters and fans when they talk blah 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 in comment section or said where are you guys? That is the question. On your respect on in social media. On party will the carry on your career, yet on your career, and make unnecessary noise, 18 noise. Because of the 18 verses make the greatest noise. That is it. Anybody never need to only show up. But somebody that has something doesn't show up. You're the cover. Ihe na-eme show up. People na-akọwa ihe about who he or she is. It doesn't tell people who you are. People will tell you who you are. That is how life supposed to be. Onye ọrakụrụ nwakọtara respect kọda na age on. Respect kọda na Igbo land ya. You hear many people did that respect I. Na dey kwa okay anyhow. Because we don't respect us in anything all right pụta n'ime ya. Anyị eburu isi ya wụrụ kai. Social media ka onye ukwu na-eme social media. Onye ma eme onye na-amade onye ọra content creator, onye ọra blogger. Maka gịnị achọghị ego nke ụwa ịchọtacha anya ịchọtakwara eluigwe ịchọtakwara Jesus inwekwara relationship with your God, your creator. How the relationship you have with your God, how faithful you are. That is the most important thing here because you are going to give the account. So when time reach, no be money go give account to there. Money, nobody is going to ask money, nobody going to ask anything, church or whatever, or blog or whatever. What God is about, interested is in your getting heart, your spirit, your heart. How that God you be, how godly person you be. Now be what God is after, not what is the way you're not into here. Apokwan bye kudo drum. Onye no no enwere nwuchi. Whatever you do to say can do the weekend we're gonna we're mutaye. anyị kwesịrị ịmụta ya na social media. Ọ dịrị anyị too much ndị Igbo. Ogechi ka ga-etichi gị a lesson. Ọ dị mma. Ana m like ndị ọbụla na stand on the truth. I love that woman so much that take it up to show you that truth is justice in want, and show her that yes, this is the justice, and I'm sorry if I offended you, or yes, this is what I say is how it is. The time has come for you to prove. Let nobody start supporting evil, because those of you that are supporting evil, evil can never depart in your area, your side life. Because if you support evil, evil will come to you. But if you support good and say, yes, this is good, this is bad, that is how your life is going to be also good. So be very, very careful, and whatever that is trending in social media is not all you will carry, unless your spirit tell you to carry. As my spirit say, I should come at. I'm supposed to come and trust this on the all. If you watch, you can see that I'm not online like that. I'm not, but now, by special grace, I think I'm back. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you all. Share this video to reach all Ogechi's fans and supporters, and all those people who like him, all those bloggers, all those hungry bloggers, fake bloggers, where they try to make them unnecessary, where there is no road. And be careful. Chota God in Jesus first. Chota Jesus. Chota God. Your creator. Serve him with your good spirit and good faith, and forget about all these earthly things, because everything will just go away. But the word of God remains the same. So celebrate those that share the word of God. They work in God's vineyard. If you don't know what you want to use your platform to do, try to. If you don't know what you try to celebrate good thing, or start doing your own things, dancing, do what kind of things you know how to do, but not something that will not glorify God. Something will be that will ihe ga-enye Chineke otuto, maka na ọnụ anyị na-eme ihe na-enye otuto, ọ na-adị mma, ọ na-adị happy, na-ele anyị, na-agọzikwa anyị. Ka anyị hapụnụ iro na asị gburugburu na-enweta ebe eji aga, zọwa otu wo na-enwetakwa ebe eji aga. Onye chọọ ka ngwa m ọnụ n'ụbọchị nketa pụtara asị ka ngwa m ọnụ, because ekwesịrị m ịbịa ikwu okwu a na ekwesịrị m ikwu okwu a since, mana atịchadị m this thing ịbịa kwuo okwu. That is why ji pụta na iwe ọchọ my platform, ị ga-ahụ na I'm not posting that way except my family platform. And God bless you. Don't forget to share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my pages and all my handles anywhere you see me. And God bless you. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.